Okay.
Okay. Are you ready for your surprise?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is it?
A bicycle.
What kind of bicycle?
But the seat is too small for me.
You think so?
Yeah.
Try it. Try sitting on it. If it's too small, we can go get you a different one. That's okay.
See? Too small.
You think? Well, that's how it's supposed to be. That other seat was a different kind of seat. There you go.
This is
There you go. You're doing it. Wow, Jason, you know how to ride it. Do you want to put your shoes on and go ride it outside? I'm so impressed.
Okay.
All right.
Damn, my foot is stuck a little bit. Is this a new rake?
Yep.
Oh boy!
Careful, don't let it hit the car. You got him a Spider-Man bike, and he's playing with the rake. Yep. We did get a new rake, too. There's your bike helmet on the floor, Jason. Okay, that was anticlimactic, wouldn't you say, Dada?
Should have got him a shovel. It would have made his day. At least we know he's got work ethic.
Do you want to rake instead of riding your bike, Jay? Does that sound like fun? Should we go rake some leaves?
You want to go outside, put on some shoes and go outside and rake leaves?
Oh, okay. Thank goodness.